summer weather poses its own set of things that you have to be careful of when you're driving in it. The biggest enemy here is the water. And what happens is that as you go faster, your tires tend to ride up on top of the water. The treads fill up with water, they ride up, and all of a sudden you're water skiing, you're hydroplaning. So one of the key things is to slow down. Slower speeds means less possibility of this hydroplaning. Along with that, be cautious as you drive. Pay attention to trees and things around you, anything that might look suspicious, because it isn't unheard of during a really bad thunderstorm that you may have branches falling and things like that. People get hurt. If you have to pull over, do not pull over and park under a tree, because that tree could get blown over or struck by lightning and you could get hurt or killed.